Hey guys, Evan here. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how you can make money on Rev.com. So Rev is basically a transcription service. It's a captioning service basically. And pretty much the way this works is customers will upload their video or audio content to the platform and you can get paid to transcribe it. Now, if you don't know what transcribing is, it's basically converting the audio into text form. So basically you are typing in everything that is being spoken out loud in the video. So if we go to rev.com, and I'll have a link in the description, we can see that people can upload a video and they can pay $1.50 per minute to actually have that audio or video transcribed, or they can pay $1.50 per minute to have their video captioned, and even $3 to $7 per minute for foreign subtitles. So if you know multiple languages and you can type them well, this is a really good way to make money. But basically the way we can make money is, let's go down to the bottom of Rev here, and we want to go to where it says become a freelancer at the bottom right. So here we can see Rev Freelance, jobs let you work from anywhere. So you can earn money by transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere at any time. And basically you can create your own flexible work schedule, so you're not bound to a certain work schedule. You can do this whenever you want. It's completely up to you. So this is kind of similar to how like Uber and Lyft and DoorDash works. You can basically work when you want and you can work as long as you want. And there's a couple different options that you can choose from. So you can be a transcriptionist, which means you're going to listen to audio, you're going to actually type what is being said in the audio, and then you just have to label the speakers, so who is speaking. And this can pay from anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10. So just think about this for a second. If you do 60 minutes or an hour of transcribing and you get paid, let's say $1, that is $60 an hour just for typing down what is being said in a video. Now that's assuming that it's $1. It could be anywhere from 30 cents to $1.10, but even if it was just 30 cents, let's do some math here. So let's say bare minimum, you're making 30 cents per minute. That is $18 an hour that you would be making doing transcribing, just typing down what is being said. So it's actually super simple. It's a really easy way to just make some extra income. And you can honestly argue it's even easier because you get to work whenever you want for how long as you want, and you can do it all in the comfort of your own home. So minimum, you're making $18 an hour doing this. And let's say maximum, you're going to be making $66 an hour, which is huge because if you do an 8-hour shift, that's $528 in a single day, which is just insane. And that's just for being a transcriptionist. If you want to be a captioner, which means you're going to watch videos, you're going to actually type what's being said, you creatively convey sounds, and you sync the typed audio with the video, that's going to range from 54 cents to $1.10 per minute. So that means minimum, you're going to be getting $32 per hour being a captioner on Rev.com. And again, as I told you before, if you know multiple languages, you can be a subtitler, and then now you're getting paid $1.50 to $3 per minute. And I mean, let's look at the minimum you would be getting paid, which is $1.50 per minute. That's $90 per hour doing subtitles in a foreign language if you know multiple languages. So that's a huge opportunity. There's a lot of demand for foreign subtitles because knowing multiple languages is not as easy to come by as someone that just knows one. So basically to start, you have to take a English quiz. It's a quick quiz that just quizzes you on basic grammar and English stuff. So they want to make sure that you know basic English, basic grammar, and then you basically submit a transcription or caption sample, and then they review it. And if they approve you, you can get onto the platform. And I don't consider myself that good of an English speaker, but I got approved for this. So I think it's not that hard to get approved for this platform. So basically you can scroll down to the bottom and you can click on where it says sign up to be a Rev freelancer, and it'll take you through the process of doing that. And basically all you have to do is just take a quiz and submit a sample of captioning and transcription. And it could take a couple days for them to get back to you. So just be patient. And once they approve of you, you can go ahead and start doing the transcribing. But anyway, that is how you can make money on Rev. If this video helped you out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.